Good morning, Cam fam. It's just me and Xander up at the moment. I am editing my Swimming World update, and I've also got a cup of tea and some way too milky Weetabix with kiwi on top. I really don't know how I managed to put so much milk in there. It kind of looks gross. We are at Ashton Court Mansion now for the balloon fiesta. I've got the lovely Shans here with me. I will try and remember to link her Facebook page thingy in the description. I'm a bit out of breath now.
Yeah, we're both out of breath.
There was a hill we had to walk up and it did not look as steep as it was. But we're here now on the
flat ground.
Yeah. Couldn't even think of what words I was trying to say then. That was a bit weird. But yeah, we should hopefully...
we both need a drink and
yeah.
we both need a wee. We both need food.
We have many needs, okay? And then
Drink,
we'll see some balloons.
Food, toilet.
Yeah. And then later this evening there should be some fireworks. So stay tuned for all of that. It's going to be a pretty awesome time. I think there might be a toilet in there.
Oh, okay.
Come this way with me now. The rest of the week. We've just been messing around with Snapchat filters and it's getting very, very dark and cloudy now. So hopefully the balloons will still go up. I'm sure they will. As long as it doesn't like start bucketing it down.
But yeah,
I think I jinxed it. The rain's coming. I can feel it. What are you getting out? Oh, a poncho. Cool.
Harry Potter!
It's very rainy now. I am hiding in my blanket. Shans is also hiding in her blanket. But the cheese has gone up. No, I don't know that cheese. I thought it was cheese. It says something. I don't know. I'm confused and it's wet. I'll update you if any more cool balloons go up.